Did you know that ghost workers at Ohio's abandoned Ironton iron furnaces are still making real iron ingots over a century after they died in horrific molten metal accidents? In the 1890s, dozens of workers perished when molten iron spilled across the furnace floors. But their deadly work never stopped. Fresh iron bars appear overnight at the ruins, stamped with authentic 1890s markings. Thermal cameras detect impossible heat from cold stone furnaces, while phantom workers in period safety gear operate equipment that doesn't exist. Industrial historian Dr. Sarah Mitchell documented visitors suffering real burns from an invisible molten metal. The ghost workers follow their original deadly schedules exactly. Witnesses hear hammering and furnace roars from demolished equipment. One surveillance camera captured translucent figures in 1890s work clothes pouring glowing phantom iron while death screams echoed through empty buildings. The supernatural production follows precise historical foundry procedures. Workers died when safety protocols failed, and their spirits repeat those same fatal mistakes nightly. Local residents avoid the ruins after dark. The phantom furnaces burn hottest during winter months when the original accidents claim the most lives.